Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over what's inside the Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit for a 2340 EKA. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket needs to be replaced yearly. However, if you are doing consecutive cycles or back-to-back, this will wear out and it needs to be changed more frequently. The pack also comes with a chamber bright pack. This needs to be used on a weekly basis. This helps keep the reservoir and the chamber clean. The HEPA filter, which the HEPA filter filters the air during the drying cycle. This comes with replacement valves and stems, as well as a safety release valve and an air jet valve. There are directions on how to change all this stuff in the provided preventative maintenance guide. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.